Epiploic Appendagitis is a rare condition that is benign and actually resolves on its own. However, this is key. It often looks a lot like serious conditions, such as appendicitis or diverticulitis. Getting the diagnosis right is really important to avoid unnecessary treatments. First, regarding the clinical clues we should look for. The pain usually hits suddenly. It is sharp and really localized, often in the left lower quadrant. This presentation happens in up to 80% of cases. Importantly, you generally won't see systemic symptoms. Patients usually don't have a fever, and they rarely experience any nausea or vomiting. This presentation occurs because the condition is caused by something like torsion or a blood clot blocking a vein. It is inflammation, yes, but it is not an infection. Second, how do we actually confirm it then? Since the symptoms can be tricky, imaging is your best bet. A CT scan, computed tomography, is considered the gold standard here. What you're looking for on the scan is an oval lesion that is fat density, usually about 2 to 3 centimeters. This lesion often has a kind of hyper-attenuating ring around it. You should definitely look for the central dot sign, as that indicates the thrombosed vessel. Additionally, you generally shouldn't see much bowel wall thickening. Finally, the management once you have the diagnosis is straightforward. The good news is that treatment is conservative. This primarily involves pain management, mostly with NSAIDs or other painkillers. Since it is not an infection, antibiotics are not needed. The outlook is excellent, as symptoms typically clear up on their own in about 3 to 14 days. Understanding this specific non-infectious pathology helps everyone avoid misdiagnosis, skip unnecessary surgery, and cut down on those costly hospital stays.